Bruce, looks good. Thank you very much. Right now in medical rounds, as the state turns a corner from the coronavirus, we're taking a moment right now to look back. Channel 3's Kara Sunland spoke with Jeff Flaks, the president and CEO of Hartford Hospital.
A lot of people might not realize you were in New York City during 9/11, and certainly that was a transformative time for you and for everyone, really. But those early lessons you learned, you say, were important during the pandemic, and you had to throw out the book. What do you mean?
I was a member of the executive team of St. Vincent's Hospital in Manhattan, which was the responding hospital on September 11th. And Kara, was an experience like I never imagined I could possibly have again in my lifetime. Absolutely incredible to see that and experience that. Now, with this pandemic, although it's different, there are really some significant similarities around a crisis within our community that has a significant magnitude, long-term consequences and implications. When I say throw out the book, when you have a crisis like this, you have less time to think. You need to take action. You have to work and settle sometimes to being very good as opposed to being perfect. And you have to have a complete commitment to transparency, to accessibility, and just quite simply just do the right thing. And that really will always guide you in the process. But in a crisis, in crisis management, it really does take a lot of very decisive actions that are necessary.
In our final moments together, if you had to say one thing, what was the biggest lesson you've learned?
You know, it's interesting, Kara, that question about what's the biggest lesson I've learned. In many ways, it's something that I knew, but it's become so clear, so strong, which is our sense of community in this region. The sense of collaboration, of coordination, it's what makes living in Connecticut so special. It makes our region so special, that all the large companies down to individual people who were quarantined in their house, everybody had a common purpose, everybody was working together, everybody was doing what they could. And the sense of coordination with our state government, with Governor Lamont, the sense of coordination with our other health systems throughout the Connecticut. You know, I frequently say, Kara, nobody wears a uniform during a crisis like this. Yeah. We're on one team. That sense has been amazing. So I've really learned that it's what makes us so special, and it's truly, truly, I'm all in awe, actually, to see that level of coordination and alignment.
Absolutely, all in this together. Thank you so much, Jeff Flaks, for being with us.